let's dive into it. Ooh. This is gonna be like a Westside Gunn type beat. Alright. Let's see if we cut the highs on this, how that would feel. We're gonna just go on this loop. This does feel a little bit rushed, these guys. We're gonna slow them down a little bit more. Keeping it super loose here. I like it. Very good. Okay. Ooh, wait a minute. We're gonna mono that guy and make him smaller. Okay. Let's play around with that a little bit with like sound processing this. First of all, we're gonna mono it. Yeah, so in order to really get the mono for this one, we're gonna have to choose either the left or the right. Okay, so that's cool. I kind of want more like small room reverb on it. Let's go looking through Ableton's small room reverbs. I think it's gonna be something like small chamber. We could even try small room. I think it's gonna be small chamber. There we go. There we go. Just this like transitionary. And then we'll fade on this guy, something like this. There we go. I feel like we need something kind of menacing in the background. I don't know, some sort of like beeping of sorts. I don't know. We're experimenting. This is kind of an experimental beat, you know. We're kind of getting out of our normal sound selections here. That's what's kind of fun. I don't know, about like kind of chasing something a little bit off-putting. You find yourself like kind of chasing sounds that you might not normally go for. Is there anything like in my one-shot collections? Ooh, maybe some dots of this guy. Oh, wait, I got an idea. And I'm thinking we'll like delay that out, maybe do this weird like pitch bend kind of stuff. I'm gonna throw down a little delay here. And we're gonna turn this on this last note probably. Bum 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 boop 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 is basically what I'm trying to do here. I know that's very descriptive. Yeah, like that. Okay. We're gonna bring this back down over here. We're gonna try to grab another delay. There we go. Getting super odd with this one. I love it. Okay, yeah, so that would have to come in a bit sooner. It would be like right here. We'll try to back that out as much as we can. There we go. Oh, that's tough. I don't know. I was kind of thinking of trying to switch up on the beat side, but let's get I think I know what I might want. A little string swell in the middle of that. Might be kind of cool. We'll see. Simple. Alright. Keep it super subtle. Probably set that down even more. There we go. Yeah, we'll throw them right back into that. Alright, I think we need to start setting up our intro. Let's take all of this. We're gonna scoot it back by like probably this much. And then we need like some rain. I'm not sure if we'll keep this through the whole track or if we'll just like have it in the intro. What if we had like some sort of like, I don't know, maybe like a muted trumpet or something. Bridge section. Or we could just, okay, I've got an idea. Okay. And then shit, that would be a great time to like fade them out over here. I think that would be the track. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. That's perfect. Ah, man. Okay, I think we got another one, guys.